Good morning, students of 10th standard. Uh, Before we had finished the lesson, we had taken the lesson of transportation, communication, tourism, transport and communication. We finished tourism, we finished transport, and then now what was remaining was communication. As you know, communication is also very much important aspect in one's work. If you want for trade and all, communication is important. Not only tourism and transport, but also communication. We need to communicate to each other, and to communicate to each other there are various means of communication. We all know mobile is one way of communication, net is also one way communication, TV, mass media, so many things are there. So let us see the communication in Brazil and also communication in India. So let us see the communication in Brazil. You are already aware of the vast longitudinal extent of Brazil. Given are the west, westernmost and easternmost extreme points of Brazil mainland in figure 9.12. Here you can see Brazilian standard time is there. Okay. Now calculate the difference in time between the 2 points in minutes. Westernmost point, that is Nascent do Rio Mo, okay, that is 0 degree 7 707 degree 32 33, okay, S to 70 degree 59 west it is given. Okay, easternmost point is Ponta do Texas Paraiba 007 degree 09 minutes 28 seconds, S south 34 degree 47 minute west. Read the above map in the figure 9.12 and answer the following question. 9.12 you have to read. This is the one, and answer the question. How many divisions can you see in the map? How many divisions you can see? 1, 2, 3 divisions. What do these divisions signify? What does the term behind the GMT? What does the term behind the GMT mean? Okay. Which part of Brazil is ahead of the other? By how many minutes is this part ahead of the others? What does the red line in the map show? What is this red line in the map show? Okay. So Brazilian standard time. You will find that because of the vast longitudinal extent of the country, the difference between two extreme points is around 168 minutes. 168 minutes, that is 2 hours 48 minutes. There are different time zones in the country. Brazil has 4 time zones. 1, 2, 3, 4 time zones. It is behind the GMT by 2, 3, 4 or 5 hours. GMT. Okay, it is Greenwich Mediterranean time. The red line in the map shows the GMT 03 time zone, which is considered to be the official Brazilian time, that is BRT. It is 3 hours behind GMT. This is 3 hours behind GMT. Okay, 3 hours behind. Development of communication in Brazil. Telecommunication services in Brazil are well developed and efficient. This industry includes landlines as well as mobile services, television broadcasting, radio broadcasting, and computer internet access. Today, more than 45% of the Brazilian population has access to the internet. The telecommunications infrastructure is fairly modern, particularly in central south Brazil. However, the north and northwest are drastically less developed. Over recent years, mobile telephones have led the rapid expansion of telecommunication services in Brazil. The nature of Brazilian territory, especially land, mass size, and the large pockets of unpopulated and densely vegetated areas, create significant impediments to the expansion in coverage of telecommunication services. Brazil is developing technology to send domestically made satellites into space with its own rockets. Okay, Brazil is developing technology to send domestically made satellites into space with its own rockets. Communication in India. Study the map given in figure 9.13 and answer the following questions. Calculate the difference between the two longitudinal extremes of mainland India. It is more than Brazil. Which longitude in India is called the Indian Standard Time? Which is the longitude called as the Indian Standard Time? IST. What is the difference between this time and the GMT? How many local times are there in India? India too has, okay, this is what you see the map 9.13. India too has a large longitudinal extent. The difference between the two extreme-most points is 2 hours or 120 minutes. India has only one standard time zone. The 82 degree 0.5 east longitude is the Indian Standard Time IST. It passes through Allahabad. Okay, it passes through Allahabad. You can see over here. Okay, it passes through Allahabad. It is ahead by 5 hours 30 minutes from the Greenwich Meridian Time GMT. With the explosion of electronic media, telecom industry has become one of the fast growing sectors. In this era of information and communication, more diligently enhanced communication devices like mobile phones, internet and satellites are paving way to expansion for the wider reach of communication technology. India is one of the largest users of smartphones and internet. With development of our own satellite, India has come a long way in this field. Okay, so please complete your book. So we have finished this lesson also of tourism, transport and communication. Thank you, students.